The travel industry quietly profits every time you book on the wrong day, pack the wrong bag, or sit in the wrong seat, and most travelers never figure out the pattern. Let's start before you even leave the house. Tip 1. Buy your flights about 7 weeks in advance. That's historically the sweet spot for finding decent prices. Tip 2. Avoid booking on Sundays. It's the priciest day to fly. Tuesdays tend to be when airlines drop new deals, so that's your window. Tip 3. Always search for flights in incognito mode. Travel sites track your browsing and can push up prices based on what you've already looked at. Clearing those cookies levels the playing field instantly. Now you're at the airport. Tip 4. When choosing a security line, look for business travelers. They move faster because they do this constantly. Tip 5. On the plane, request or book a rear seat. You'll get faster service from the cabin crew since they station themselves near the back galley. Tip 6. No in-flight entertainment. Place your phone inside a clear sandwich bag and wedge it into the tray table latch. Instant hands-free screen, zero cost. Tip 7. Wear compression socks on long flights. Cabin pressure pushes blood down toward your legs and away from your brain, which causes that dizzy, foggy feeling. Compression socks fight that. Tip 8. Toss a tennis ball into your carry-on. Roll it under your feet or along your lower back mid-flight for some genuine relief. You've landed. Tip 9. Mark your luggage as fragile when checking it in. It gets handled more carefully and typically comes out at the top of the pile, meaning it arrives first on the belt. Tip 10. Customize your bag with something bright and distinctive. A ribbon, colorful tape, stickers, anything so you can spot it instantly from across the baggage claim. Tip 11. Follow the flight crew to navigate the airport. They know exactly where to eat well for less and how to exit fast. Just be casual about it. Tip 12. Pack a few large trash bags. If it starts raining outside the terminal, wrap them around your luggage so nothing gets soaked. Tip 13. Bring an empty pillowcase. Stuff some clothes inside during long bus or shuttle rides, and you've got a surprisingly decent travel pillow. You're at the hotel now. Tip 14. Before your trip, cut a slit in the back of an empty shampoo bottle and use it to hide your valuables like cash, cards, and jewelry. Leave it in the shower. Nobody thinks to look there. Tip 15. When you arrive feeling jet-lagged, fight the urge to crash. Do some light stretching first. It resets your body clock and helps you sleep properly that night. Tip 16. The room key card slot kills the power when you remove it. Slide any spare card or a folded piece of paper into the slot to keep the electricity running. Packing tip 17. Place a piece of plastic wrap under the cap of liquid bottles before closing them. This stops everything from leaking onto your clothes. Tip 18. Roll your clothes instead of folding them. You'll fit significantly more in the same space. Tip 19. Wrap delicate garments in tissue paper before rolling to prevent creasing. Tip 20. For makeup, tuck a cotton ball inside pressed powder compacts before packing. It absorbs the impact and stops them from shattering. Tip 21. Thread necklaces through a straw before packing them. It keeps them straight and completely tangle-free. Tip 22. Use a small pill organizer for earrings, rings, and tiny jewelry pieces. Keeps everything sorted and nothing gets lost. You're out exploring now. Tip 23. When choosing a restaurant, go for places with short menus. Fewer dishes means the cooks have made those same meals hundreds of times. That usually means noticeably better quality. Tip 24. Always carry some emergency cash tucked inside your phone case. The day you forget your wallet will come eventually. Tip 25. Want to see popular sites without crowds? Go to bed early and wake up before the tourist rush. Morning visits mean shorter lines, better photos, and far less frustration. Tip 26. Pack a sleep mask and earplugs without fail. Hotel rooms come with unpredictable noise, light, and street sounds. These two items cost almost nothing and protect your sleep completely. Tip 27. If your sandal or flip-flop strap breaks, a bread bag twist tie makes a surprisingly solid quick fix in a pinch, or use a hair tie threaded through the bottom of the strap. Heading home now. Tip 28. Use that pillowcase again. This time, stuff your dirty laundry inside it. It separates worn clothes from clean ones and doubles as a laundry bag once you're back. Tip 29. Drop a scented soap bar into that dirty clothes bag. Trust me, future you opening that suitcase at home will be grateful. Tip 30. Put hotel shower caps over the soles of your dirty shoes before packing them. That way they don't transfer mud or grime onto everything else in your bag. There you go, 30 tips covering every stage of your vacation from booking flights to unpacking at home. Save this video before your next trip, share it with someone you're traveling with, and drop a comment telling me which tip surprised you the most. See you in the next one.